Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome to JVLOGS. I don't normally make, well, this is not like a normal video. I'm going to literally cut down some part of the tree for the garden, which I'm going to show you the garden now. I'm going to show you the tree where I'm going to cut down. So yeah, I'm just going to make a video about it. This is something that, you know, people normally do, or I normally do, cut down tree and stuff and climb tree. But yeah, so this right here is our little garden. As you see, I made the bed. If you know anything about gardening, I put marsh and cow manure and stuff like that. As you see a little sunlight trying to come in, but the tree right here is blocking the sunlight. So you see, that is blocking the sunlight from reaching the garden, which is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that limb right there that leads to those trees, and I'm going to try and cut this one and this one right here, so it kind of open up all of this right here, and the sunlight can actually shine through and come down and hit the garden and penetrate. So what you see right here are the callaloo, and we have peppers right there, and one tomatoes and much more stuff. So only did 3 sections of the bed, parted with these larts there. I'll take them out and I'll part it. So that one is covered up right there, but this one you can see, so I made 3 beds. So that's what I'm going to work on now, climb the ladder and stuff like that, and you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to work on that right now. So this will be speed up, so you guys can enjoy it in at a faster speed, at a faster rate. So set up the camera properly. So yeah, I'm gonna climb now and try to cut down the branch right there. Alright, so that one I'm going to cut down. Where's it? That one right there. Alright.
Need to get the glasses. Let me zoom in a little more.
So just to get the wood chipping out of my eyes, I have to put on this shade like. So yeah, gonna get back to the job now soon. journey is still on, so let me show you what I did so far. So I literally cut out that middle section, as you can see, fresh wood right here. Boom. Look up top now. I'm gonna cut out all of here so you have more light coming in, more sunlight to hit the plants. So the ground, so the dark side, the dark area is the ground. So let me take a shot. So this is where I want sunlight, the bed, the garden bed. As you can see, I open up that section there. It's all this section. I try to open it up so there's more sunlight that can come in and hit the bed. See? So I wanted to hit there. As you can see, that's the black part. That's the mixture of cow manure, peat moss, sand and topsoil mixed together. I'm trying to get the ground, trying to give it more nutrients so the plant can have that nutrients to grow, so we can get our tomatoes, sweet peppers, you know, stuff like that. We can get those to grow because they're not really growing. As you can see, we have a mango tree and it's just starting to bear. It's spring and then the blossoms them dry up. We'll have a tangerine tree, the same thing. The orange tree bear, but it's a sour orange. It's over that corner right there. So 2 mango tree, no mango. Trying to get the little plant up and see how that work. There's a mango tree over this yard over there. I see some little mangoes, but they're drying up. So that's what I'm trying to work on now. So I'm going to try and dig. This is going to be the area where you walk, and then I'm going to try and make 3 to 4 or 6 more beds over this side. So yeah, so look at how much work. So I need to pick up all this bush and carry it to the front. That's a good amount of bush right there that I have to pick up and then carry it to the front of the yard so the truck can come on and pick it up and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I still need to jump up there and pull down that piece of tree there so more sunlight can get to come in. So yeah, doing a little yard work and thing. Alright, mixing the peat moss right now with the cow manure. Don't have enough cow manure, but this is it. Cow manure. So mixing it up right now. Hello guys, so I'm back. I'm in Marina same because I went to work in my Marina. So I just take it up to stay cool. So right now I'm just going to show you how it look in the daytime. Like you can see the daylight now. I'm literally almost finished editing the video, so I'm just going to do this real quick to the end so you guys can see this. So you're gonna get this at the end pretty much. So let me show you what's going on. So sorry for the bright light. As you can see, the bright light right there coming from the roof and everything shining down. So you see, getting that view right there on the garden. So that's the garden view. That's the pepper that you see right there, the pepper and the thing right there. So as you can see, the next bed it's dry right now because the sun dry it out, but it's soft. You understand? If I step right there, see it's soft. So this is how the bed look right now. And I'm walking on the park right here. So that's how it look right now, and you can see it have more sunlight. So more sunlight getting in. So that's the end result of everything that took place. So I'm gonna finish the video right now, and you guys can get to watch it. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Really appreciate all the subscribers and all the support. It means a lot. Yes, so yeah, subscribe and share for more. I'll be going back to my normal routine, posting videos and stuff and talking about interesting topics. So I just wanted to do this and share to you guys. So enjoy. Later.